Hi guys, this is a sweat-proof eyebrow tutorial, so keep on watching. For me, there are three parts of the eyebrows I focus on. First is the beginning of the eyebrow. This has hair-like strokes and it's kind of like the lightest part of the brows. And the second is the middle. This has a soft arch. This is perfect for any face shape. And then the last part is the end of the eyebrows. This is like the darkest part. You also need to shape your eyebrows perfectly. If you want to see a tutorial from me, then leave that in the comment section. So I'll pick up a glue. This is what you need for a sweat-proof eyebrow. So first thing I do is brush my eyebrows upwards using my spoolie brush. Pick a little bit of that glue, classic glue or dual glue, whichever one you'll be using. Brush your hair upwards. Use a little bit, a little goes a long way, guys. And this is what you need for a sweat-proof eyebrow. Pick up a pencil, sharpen it, hold it like this, like so, very close to the tip, and then starting with the middle of the eyebrows, I'm going to fill in my eyebrow using this pencil. Okay, hold it very close to the tip and start with the middle of the eyebrow, not the beginning, not the end, the middle. And as you go, form your soft arch. This is called a soft curve eyebrow. So form it a little as you go. Take your time with this for beginners. And then fill in the end of your eyebrows. For the beginning, hold your pencil like this, very close to the end, so that you have control with your pencil. So that way, the beginning of the eyebrow is lighter. And then you raise the pencil like this and you create hair-like strokes. So just keep on filling your eyebrow with the pencil, and this is what it looks like. So I'll keep holding it that way and continue to create more hair-like strokes at the beginning of my eyebrow. I have used this eyebrow tip, this eyebrow trick, like a couple of times, and I can say it has never failed me. Like, my eyebrow can last all day. It is sweat proof and it is very affordable and easy. I am just going to repeat this at the other side of my eyebrow. So a quick reminder, guys, if you are not a subscriber on my channel, please subscribe, like this video, leave down your comments, let me know what you think about this sweat-proof eyebrow, and also share with your friends, share with your girlfriend, share it with your loved ones. Okay, thank you. So, picking up my concealer in the shade Toffee, I'm going to apply the concealer under my eyebrows. This is so that I can clean up the mistakes that I made while filling my eyebrows, so that my eyebrows can pop. So I'm just going to apply it straight from the tube. I'll be using this flat brush to pull down the concealer into my eyelids and blend it into my skin. I'm just going to take my time with this and make sure that everything is flawless and my eyebrow is smooth and clean and there are no mistakes. You can definitely use a blending brush if you have one. If you don't, you can use your beauty sponge, or you can use a flat brush like this one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Leave down your comments and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, this is the new trick I have been using. This eyebrow is perfect for every day. It doesn't move, it is waterproof, it is sweat proof, and it is amazing. I have been loving it, and if you know that you like it too, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave down your comments. Bye.